One of these stocks is paying over 12% in dividends right now, and I'm about to show you all 15. Stick around because number 7 is a company you probably use every single day. What's up, wealth builders? If you've been looking for ways to make your money work for you while you sleep, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're breaking down 15 stocks that are currently paying some of the highest dividends on the market. We're talking 6, 7, even 12% yields. But before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss these money-making opportunities. Let's get into it. Real quick, why should you even care about dividend stocks? 2 words: passive income. These companies literally pay you just for owning their shares. Plus, many of them are rock-solid businesses with decades of history. In today's market, with savings accounts paying nothing and inflation eating your cash, these yields are absolutely crushing it. All right, let's count down from number 15 to our absolute highest yielder. Number 15, Realty Income. 5.76% yield. Starting at number 15, we've got Realty Income. They literally call themselves the monthly dividend company. And they've been paying dividends for over 50 years. They own shopping centers and commercial real estate, and they pay you every single month. Perfect for building that passive income snowball. Number 14, Edison International. EIX. 5.8% yield. At 14, Edison International, a massive utility company serving millions in California. Utilities are boring, but that's exactly why they're great for dividends. People always need electricity, rain or shine. Number 13 might surprise you. VCI Properties. They own casino and entertainment real estate with long-term leases. Stable income, high yield. The house always wins. And so do VCI shareholders. Number 12, Dow Inc. Dow. Major dividend player, chemical materials industry visuals. Dow Inc. at number 12, a giant in chemicals and materials. They restructured recently, but still deliver solid dividends in a sector that quietly keeps the economy running. Number 11, Amcor, AMCR, 6.32% yield. Coming in at 11, Amcor, one of the world's biggest packaging companies. Not exciting, but incredibly steady. Everything you buy comes in packaging, which means Amcor keeps collecting cash. Number 10, Kraft Heinz, KHC, 6.6% yield. At number 10, Kraft Heinz. You've got their products in your pantry right now. This consumer staples giant owns some of the most recognizable brands on Earth, and they're paying over 6.5%. Number 9, Health Peak Properties, Peak, 6.8% yield. Number 9, Health Peak Properties. They focus on healthcare real estate, hospitals, medical offices, labs. As the population ages, healthcare demand only grows. That means reliable rent and reliable dividends. Number 8, Verizon. Yes, that Verizon. Nearly 7% yield from a blue-chip telecom company with millions of customers who pay their bills every single month. That's recurring revenue at its finest. Number 7, Pfizer PFE, 7% yield. Lucky number 7 is Pfizer. After the pandemic boom and bust, their stock reset hard, which pushed their dividend yield up to 7%. Love them or hate them, Pfizer's a pharma giant with deep pockets. Number 6, UPS, 7.1% yield. At number 6, UPS. The logistics giant is yielding over 7% right now because the freight market's been soft. But long-term, UPS is going nowhere. They're essential to global commerce. 5, Altria Group, MO, 7.4% yield. Number 5, Altria. Yes, the tobacco company. They've been a dividend machine for decades. Not for everyone ethically, but financially. They print cash and return it to shareholders like clockwork. Number 4. Conagra Brands, CAG, 8.2% yield. At number 4, Conagra Brands, another food giant with over 8% yield. When the economy struggles, people still eat. That's why consumer staples are dividend royalty. Number 3, Alexandria Real Estate, ARE, 9.7% yield. The top 3 is where it gets really interesting. Number 3, Alexandria Real Estate. They specialize in life science real estate. Think biotech campuses and research labs. Nearly 10% yield from a niche that's not going away. Number 2, LyondellBasell Industries, LYB, 12.4% yield. And at number 2, LyondellBasell Industries with a 12.4% yield. Yes, you heard that right. They're in petrochemicals and refining, one of the highest yielders in the entire S&P 500. But remember, with great yield comes great risk. Always do your homework. All right, quick check. Are you still with me? If you're finding this valuable, drop a comment below and tell me which stock you're most interested in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Important warning. Now listen, before you run out and buy all of these, here's the reality check. A high dividend yield can be a trap. Sometimes it's high because the stock price crashed. Sometimes the company's struggling and might cut the dividend. You need to check. Payout ratio. Can they afford this? Debt levels. Are they over-leveraged? Earnings trends. Are they growing or shrinking? Industry headwinds. Is their sector dying? High yield is only good if it's sustainable. Don't chase yield blindly. All right, that's the list. 15 stocks, massive yields, and a whole lot of passive income potential. If you want more videos like this, market updates, dividend strategies, wealth building tactics, subscribe and turn on notifications. Hit that like button if this helped you and drop a comment telling me, are you a dividend investor or are you all about growth stocks? I read every single comment. And if you want to dive deeper, I'll link some resources in the description below. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go make your money work for you.